Alright guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a 25-year-old Spyderco Police. So this is the original box. The edge is in brand new condition. I mean, it's been carried a couple times. There's some scuffs and scratches on it, but this is pretty much as it came. So check this out. Look at this little tiny thin red box. This was made in August of 97. Okay. It was sold at some place called Service Star, it looks like. Which I don't know what that is. Maybe it was some kind of like hardware store or something, or maybe somebody in the comments can let us know what that is. But this originally sold for $72.95. So imagine that. Think about the inflation there. A Spyderco Police brand new used to cost $72.95. So just check that out. Yeah, this knife is really, really nice right here. The action is extremely tight. There's no play in the blade at all. Front, back, side to side, no play. Extremely smooth. Take a look at that edge. Man, these Spydercos, these older Spydercos are absolutely amazing. This thing is gorgeous. I would say the quality on these ones are just a little bit higher. This has the ATS 55 steel. I mean, look at that grind. It's absolutely flawless. And the Police is engraved into the blade rather than just like lasered on as they did on the later models. So this definitely, I think is one of the highest quality Police models you'll find. It doesn't have the Bowie dent, I think it's called, where they scallop that out. I actually think it looks better and cleaner like that. Let's see what's here in the box. There's a little printout from Spyderco from 1995. And it's a little education here. Compliments of Spyderco. Congratulations on your Spyderco purchase. You have wisely invested in a performance tool rather than a cheap imitation. In return, we give you the results of our best efforts. Alright, I'll let you guys read over this. It's pretty interesting. This is like historical knife stuff right here. To see what came with a Spyderco back in 1995, 1996. Very cool. So yeah, that's what the old school Spyderco boxes used to look like. And you could have picked this up brand new for $72.95. Alright guys, let me know what you think. If you want to see more high-end knife reviews like this, let me know. And please like and subscribe. And God bless, guys.